Once again.
I have these two small roses. I'm going to paint them in silver and then I'm going to add them to the front. And I'll be using this silver paint, and I got it from Walmart. Hi guys, what's up, Wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, today I'm going to bling out his and hers wedding wine glass. So I'm going to do two of them. And I got this one from the Dollarama, and it's $1.25. It's like a string for craft. It's $2 at the Dollarama, and I'm gonna use a piece of this string for right here. And guys, I have some of these bling. I got it from the Dollarama as well for $1.25. They also sell at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use just a little piece of ribbon for a bow. They are gem stickers. I'm gonna use a lot of them, and I'm gonna decorate the entire bottom half of this one. And when I'm almost done, I'm gonna add some of these, about two of them, in the center. I also have these swirl gems. Look how beautiful they are. I'm gonna add them on the top. I'm gonna use my glue gun, my glue sticks. I'm gonna attach it at the top, and then I'm just gonna go right around. I'm turning the glass upside down, and I'm gonna wheel it right around in circular motion until I reach the bottom. Or you can use it from the bottom to the top. Now you get a firm hold and you secure the top. Now when you wrap it, you want to stretch it a little bit. Once you secure it, all you have to do, you just have to add the glue on both sides, because this part is smaller and you want to work fast as possible. Just like that, guys, and you want to continue until you reach about here. And when you reach the bottom, you want to cut it and close it. I'm gonna bling out the bottom. I'm gonna try to create a pattern or a style. I want to set it slant like this, and then the next one gonna be also slant like a V pattern. I'm gonna do the entire bottom like this, and then I'm gonna add some row straight up to the top. Now the next step, I'm gonna go up 2 more rows. That's 3 rows here, and then I'm gonna go up 4 rows here. So this is it so far, guys. Now I'm gonna lay it down so you can see what I'm doing. In between the second space right here, I'm gonna put one here and one here, so it looks like somewhat like a flower. And then I'm just gonna go around it just like that. I'm gonna add one in between here and one on top right here. Now from this package, I'm gonna take some diamonds. I'm gonna use some of these swirl gems And I'm gonna add one big one, one small, one big, one small right around. Now we're gonna work on the front part. From this package, I'm gonna add 2 of these hearts. I'm gonna start the heart right about here because I'm gonna leave this space to put my bow. I'm gonna add about 2 of them. Just like that. Yes, now I'm gonna make like a flower here, and I'm gonna add 2 more to the sides. I want to finish the top here, and I'm gonna grab a little flower and I'm gonna put it on top. Just like that. I'm gonna attempt to make a bow. So I fold one end and then I fold the next, and then I just pull it even, something like that. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue. Hot, hot, hot. And then I'm gonna put my bow. I have this flower, I add some glitter to it and I paint it in silver, and I'm gonna add it to it. All of these, some of different shapes, and I'm gonna bling out the bottom with one of these, and we're gonna apply it to the center. And I'm gonna apply them to the sides like a V. I'm gonna use 2 of these flowers and I'm gonna add them just on top. I'm just gonna cover the bottom right here with this little bit of bling rhinestone. So guys, this is all done. I'm gonna make the second one, clean them up, put them on display, and then I'm gonna show you. And this is awesome for a wedding gift, guys. It's beautiful. It's a set for his and hers. Yes guys, look at the details on it. Fabulous and nice. Yes, up close and personal. Look at the details, guys. I also add these 2 little ornaments. They're like little rings they can use in your hair or wherever you like. It is to say I do, and I add both. And in the back the sign says they live happily ever after. And you can't have your wine glasses, guys, without some champagne. That's my non-alcoholic champagne right there. Look at the details on the bottom as well, guys. Yes, let me just spin it. Look at the bling, guys. Look at it. Perfect wedding gift idea. And that's it. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. I'm super proud again, guys. Oh, and in the middle, guys, you have to have your wedding bell. You may take a sip and then you may kiss the bride. There. Mwah, mwah. Kisses. Bye, guys.